Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It is May 23rd. Very quiet overnight session as far as volume, very light volume. Seems like we're already in holiday market mode here today. It is, we are off on Monday, so there is no trade Sunday night. There will be trade Monday night. But markets are preparing for this already. As I mentioned, very quiet, may remain that way here for most of the session. Corn up $0.015, beans up 5 right now, with wheat up 3 cents. So corn still holding that support area at 470. We've seen we've seen quite a pullback from these highs, but we've seen good support right in this area as well. The market is oversold. Can we see some kind of a bounce as we finish up with harvest? We could, and you look at a seasonal chart, we've got the tendency to do that as we get into the first to second week of June. But as I mentioned, weather conditions going to be very favorable for guys to get out in the fields, finish getting planted, and really get done with corn, move into beans. Even the guys in the north that were struggling, going to have a good chance this weekend to get quite a bit planted. So we'll see how that affects here come Tuesday once we see planting progress once again. For beans, we've got a little bit of strength here overnight. Good export sales yesterday helping to boost that, but we're going to have a lot of talks coming up here that still remain. Hearing beans coming in from Brazil into the U.S. Well, so far 130,000 tons of South American beans have come into the U.S. There's another 375,000 that are headed here that are in line. So these are all things that now we're going to have to face. We're sitting well above as far as price over South American beans. But right now there's still demand. You saw export sales yesterday. Any kind of old crop export sales is going to be looked at as friendly, much like what we'd seen yesterday. So we'll see if that does continue. China is back buying. Crushers are back positive for them, and they're buying their token business once again. Looking at planting progress, though, going to probably see very strong planting progress, not only for corn, but should be wrapped up pretty well with corn. But as far as beans, should see some strong progress made. Once we had gotten over that 50 to 60% hump for corn, we had seen that corn market back off. Are we going to do that for beans? Because we probably will be more than 50% planted come Tuesday. So something to kind of keep in mind. Weather is going to be a beautiful weekend, so enjoy it out there, guys. As far as livestock, cattle down 35, box beef a little bit better. Choice up 63, select up 107, packer break evens at 143.81. We did see some cash trade yesterday at 144. That's $1 lower. That was in Kansas and Texas. That is also the lowest cash trade that we have seen since February 21st. So keep that in mind. I think that's why we saw the market back off a little yesterday. But as far as hogs, 95 cents lower for hogs again today. Cutout values down 114. As I mentioned yesterday, we're still trying to find this bottom in this cash market as we get into the summer months. We feel that it could be coming here shortly, but we're still struggling right now. So we'll see if we can get some stronger wholesale pork prices and really get this market to firm up a little from there. Stock market up 5 points right now. We've got gold down $6, silver down 19 cents, and the dollar up 14. So give us a call if you guys have any questions at all. 800-262-7538, or check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and we'll talk to you again next week. Take care.